Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program is open, navigate to the presentation where you want to include headers and footers. It is best to have your file ready and open so that you can see the changes in real time as you work through the process. After opening your presentation, direct your attention to the top of the application window where you will find various tabs. Move your cursor to the area labeled with the name Insert. This tab is crucial because it contains several options for adding elements into your presentation, including the option to add a header and footer. When the Insert tab is active, look for the option labeled Header and Footer. Clicking on this option will open a dialog box that allows you to customize your presentation's header and footer settings. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, making it clear where to input text for these sections. Within the dialog box, shift your focus to the section designated for notes and handouts. This tab is particularly important if you plan to print your slides along with your notes, ensuring that the additional information appears exactly as you want it in physical copies. Selecting the notes and handouts area ensures that any headers and footers you enter will be appropriately applied to the printed materials associated with your presentation. Inside this dialog box, you will see checkboxes corresponding to the header and footer sections. Activate these by checking the box next to header as well as the box next to footer. This action tells PowerPoint that you intend to add text that will appear on all the printed materials, such as speaker notes and handouts, allowing for a cohesive design throughout your presentation package. After checking these boxes, move on to entering your personalized text. In the designated areas for the header and the footer, type in the content you want to include. The header might typically serve as a reminder or identifier, while the footer can include details such as the date, slide number, or any other pertinent information. It is helpful to be concise and precise in what you enter, because this text will appear on every page of your notes and handouts, and clarity is important for both presentation audiences and printed materials. Once you have finished entering your text in both fields, finalize your changes by clicking on the button that indicates that these settings should be applied to all slides within your presentation. This ensures that the header and footer are uniformly added across your entire file. It saves time by applying the formatting adjustments across every page without the need for manual replication on each individual slide. Following these steps will help you effectively insert and apply headers and footers into your PowerPoint presentation, making your notes and handouts more organized and professional. Enjoy the ease of the process and feel confident in knowing that each printed copy of your presentation now has consistent and well-designed header and footer information.